We are all about feelings. Science says we are made up of light and information. Now take it further. Quantum physics says we are made up of energy and vibrations. Our body is made up of atom. Atom is energy, isn't it? If atom is energy, then energy is what? Consciousness is what? Feelings. So we are all about feelings and emotions. It is very important for us to understand what are the right emotions. Because the kind of emotions you have, the kind of feelings you have is going to result in a certain kind of action. And if you really want a good, effective, productive action, you have to be in a good zone of feelings and emotion, high frequency emotions and feelings. And that comes from the right value. So isn't it important for us to understand what are the right human values which we should be having? We all want to be happy, don't we? Who wants to be sad? Who wants to be in stress? Who wants to be in a conflict? We would like us to be happy, we would like others to be happy, we want harmony all around, isn't it? Good music sounds good to your ears, to your heart. When you see people happy, when you see people in harmony, in rhythm with each other, doesn't it feel good? But how to achieve this happiness? That is a big question for all of us because we are not able to sustain the happiness. We are not able to feel the happiness 24/7. Now the question is, can you feel happy 24/7? Answer is, yes, of course.